Hey, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about dark roast coffee and its health benefits. Dark roast coffee is a popular choice for coffee lovers, and for good reason. It has a rich, bold flavor that many people enjoy. But did you know that dark roast coffee also has some amazing hits? In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the health benefits of dark roast coffee. I'll also share some tips and tricks for making the most of your dark roast coffee experience. Antioxidants. One of the biggest benefits of dark roast coffee is its high levels of antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that help protect your cells from damage. They can help reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Improved mood? Caffeine, the stimulant found in coffee, can help improve your mood. It can also help you stay alert and focused. If you're feeling sluggish or stressed, a cup of dark roast coffee may be just what you need to perk you up. Weight loss? Some studies have shown that dark roast coffee may help with weight loss. Caffeine can help boost your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories. Dark roast coffee also contains chlorogenic acid, a compound that has been shown to help reduce fat absorption. Protection against liver disease. Coffee drinkers have a lower risk of developing liver disease, such as cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is a serious condition that can lead to liver failure. Drinking dark roast coffee may help protect your liver from damage. Reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Coffee drinkers have a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a chronic condition that affects your blood sugar levels. Drinking dark roast coffee may help improve your insulin sensitivity, which can help lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Tips and tricks for making most of your dark roast coffee. Now that you know about the health benefits of dark roast coffee, here are a few tips and tricks for making the most of your dark roast coffee experience. Use fresh, high-quality beans. The quality of your beans will make a big difference in the taste of your coffee. Grind your beans right before brewing. This will help release the coffee's full flavor. Use filtered water. Filtered water will help remove any impurities that could affect the taste of your coffee. Don't over-extract your coffee. Over-extracted coffee will be bitter. Enjoy your coffee black or with your favorite milk and sugar. Dark roast coffee is a delicious and healthy beverage that can offer a variety of health benefits. If you're looking for a way to improve your health and enjoy a great cup of coffee, dark roast coffee is a great option. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think.